up to?
We are going on an adventure.
We don't exactly know where we're actually going. We're gonna try to find it. We're on this trail.
We're on a paved road.
So we're so far so good. Not lost yet.
Heading in a direction.
Yeah.
Okay, we're hiking to a hike to a hike. This is not even our end destination.
No, it's not. But fun fact, we don't actually like hiking. We just like being at the location. Hiking persons. So we're just gonna teleport. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. We made it. Goodbye tide pool. You were good to us, but now we gotta run up this mountain. And by the way, we are freezing. Freezing. I feel like we're in Alaska right now. So we gotta scale a mountain with our friend Arcel. That's what we're doing while holding this. We'll see how this goes. Come back up the mountain. Sabrina's judging me. We did it. Is that a Dora song? We did it. We did it. Hooray.
I don't know.
Is it?
I don't know.
Did you ever watch Dora?
Yeah.
Dora the Explorer. Dora. What's going on? Come on, assistant director, you know better.
Sorry. Assistant director.
How blue do I look?
Look in the little blue, Shmoo. It's like all the same shade too. Hey, that rhymed. Look in little blue, Shmoo. It's like all the same shade too. I would have laughed if you fell.
If I fell?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to laugh, you're supposed to be my friend.
We're not friends.
Yeah. Don't be fooled, guys. We just live together, we're not actually friends. So we have a rule in our house. If this song comes on, what do?
Dance! Because I need to tell you guys that you can't go. He was like, it's about a half mile up that road.
Yay for cool guards. Oh, this does not work when I have so much stuff.
You know, it took me about 30 seconds to realize that you were asking for the sake of the video.
No, I wasn't actually. I started recording after you started talking.
Oh.
Yeah, I was genuinely asking.
It sounded like it, because usually your like camera voice is very like, Serena, what did they ask for?
So keep me in this state of mind. Tell me that it's real love, 'cause with you I'm superhuman, superhuman.
Introduce yourself. I'm gonna try to make videos
Hi.
over the summer, but they know who this is.
They better know who they are. I mean, I'm Jess. I'm the palest one out of everyone, and yeah, also a fun auntie.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Rachel. I enjoy whales, long walks on the beach, and getting tan, and not school.
I'm
Oh,
Mom.
who's that? Mom.
Say something.
I know.
On camera.
Sabrina, you look like you're dead. You look dead fish. So
Dead.
you
Relationship communication is key. We do not talk.
We did not talk. Yes.
We didn't talk yesterday.
Rachel's just smiling.
Okay, Jess.
Yes.
Fill us in what happened yesterday.
Oh man, what was yesterday? Yesterday was.
was.
Oh no, we went. Okay, so we went to a birthday dinner for all the March birthdays, and we dressed up really cute, and we went to the old spaghetti factory.
Okay,
and
you missed the whole first part of the day, like the adventurous part.
I don't
Went to Kalihi Icon.
remember. Yeah,
Kalihi Icon.
She's like, oh, we got dressed up super cute. We got to dinner.
That's what's
Okay,
important.
rewind, rewind.
Okay, I just won't put that all in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it
So
in
we
there.
started on a hike, and it was us four, the whole lady squad plus Lorenzo, and we went to the Kalihi Ice Ponds, and we hiked and went on the waterfalls. And today, well, I arrived back at the room. Yes.
Go for it.
We were in the room, and we got ready. We ate some. Oh, I ate some shrimp and rice that Sabrina made. And then Chelsea and I went to Starbucks and did homework for a while. And then we came back and we made it to Kahala. And we swam to the island, took some really cool photos, sitting in a hammock on the island. And now we're sitting in a freaking jacuzzi and it's so rad. Go the island life.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we tried forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't.
You're not close. No, you're not close. Oh my god. One cheek. Oh my.
All the good comes in waves. I got my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the weight of your emotion.
Yeah, I got it.
Loose cannon, but still live on fire. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise.
45 out of 10.
45 out of 10. Wow.
10 out of 10.
That's what it looks like. I can't see. It's front camera. Sabrina,
Yeah.
rating.
My hood looks ridiculous. There.
No, what's your rating?
For the tacos or
Yeah.
the sunset?
Both.
Or the tacos and the sunset?
Tacos and the
The
sunset.
tacos
Overall
and the
rating.
sunset. Overall rating, I've got to give it a 27.423.
Out of bless you. There's a sunset. Wait, let me see if I can get it in my
Out of
sunglasses.
20.
Look at it in my
10.
sunglasses.
20
Out of 2010.
What is it?
Can't get any better than this.
It's like a 27.
Right?
I'm gonna take a stop.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
That's not very
I wasn't recording. That's like
Next time, bring a jacket.
Next time, bring a jacket, but this is gonna happen.
entire back.
Chelsea, we're matching.
Wow!
We're matching.
Island twins matching. But
My napkins are flying everywhere.
don't litter. But so every third Tuesday, this is gonna happen. Tacos and sunset. Tacos and sunset. Tacos, sunset. How do you say it?
What?
Me encanta.
Me encantan.
Me encantan tacos on Tuesday. How do you say
Bye,
that?
son. The sun left us, guys.
Me encantan.
Martes.
I like
Martes.
tacos on Tuesday.
Me encantan tacos en martes.
Yeah.
Martes.
Ha! I'm so excited to eat it. I'm not the last person. This is the first time ever.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. I finished before Sabrina. I think Sabrina, you're the fastest.
No. It's like salad.
I win!
It is.
Hey. Hey. Can you introduce yourself?
My name's Ashley. You ain't about my life, so bye.
Where are you from?
Take a guess.
Just guess.
Yeah, guess.
Okay,
You
okay,
wouldn't
look
even
guess. Okay, this is a pro tip. If you go to Lanikai, Go to, where do you go, Jess?
Cinnamons!
Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. What do you eat? Back. Jess, what did we just do?
We did a sunrise hike at Lonnie Cattail boxes.
We got filmed.
We could be beautiful. We could just drive around.